on this Target haul, we're going to do keto snacks, low carb snacks, and Atkins food coming up on our Target shopping haul.
So I come to the baking aisle because this is an awesome place to get keto snacks for pecans. Pecans are a great healthy keto snack and a quick keto snack at that. For 1/3 of a cup, it's 1 net carb. It's 4 carbs, 3 grams of fiber equals 1 net carb for pecans. I definitely would put this on my healthy keto snack list and my quick, easy keto snack list too for lazy keto. This isn't a healthy keto snack, but I love doing my keto fried chicken, and this stuff is great. I will link it below too if you want to get it off Amazon. Did y'all see my dip recipe? I have an awesome keto dip that is amazing, made out of the sour cream. I personally love the Daisy Cup brand, but this is a great keto snack. You can put it with some vegetables, a low net carb vegetable. I like having it with cucumber or with celery. If you're wanting another awesome healthy keto snack, I love getting some of their cauliflower rice, although it's stinky. This one is 2 net carbs for 1 cup. You can put some butter on there. You can add it and make your own Alfredo sauce, which is super, super simple to do. It makes for a very high fat, moderate protein, low carb snack, or you can make it as a lazy keto meal. I personally love adding that. Just make sure you get ones that don't have blends in them, because sometimes they do add potato starch to the cauliflower, so check your ingredients. So here's the lunch meat aisle. Some people freak out about these for healthy keto snacks. I personally love having these as quick grabbies. The salami wrapped in the cheese, and then also the uncured hard salami. Obviously you wouldn't eat the crackers, but for $2.89, that's pricey when you could just simply make your own and get your own package of it. But these pickles are one of my top keto snacks. I love these Oh Snap pickles, particularly that one. They do have a spicy one too. Those are great. And let's look at the net carb count on them. 0 net carbs. It's a 0 net carb snack. It's one of my top favorite keto snacks is these Oh Snap pickles, and they're $1.29 at Walmart. They are $1, just FYI in terms of pricing. And then they do have these other snacks. Like, be careful with this on the sugar because it says smoky bourbon. Hello, the bourbon should be a clue that there's extra sugars, which will make a weight loss stall for you. Y'all know I love Pellegrino. Yay, it's on sale for $1.50 this week, just FYI. I've done other videos on the Blue Diamond ones. These are my favorite. I love these. Wait, no, they're the salt and vinegar ones, which I don't think they have. Salt and vinegar ones are my favorite of this brand. The salt and vinegar ones, though, have in it, they add vegetable oil and canola oil, which is inflammatory, so it's not the best keto snack. It's a great snack if you need something and you're desperate, say at a traveling or a gas station. It's kind of a bummer that these have vegetable oil, canola oil, because it's inflammatory, which is not really, it's not keto if you have vegetable oil in it. I love hard-boiled eggs as an easy keto snack. It's totally a healthy keto snack. Just mind your protein because keto is high fat, moderate protein, low carb. There's down this aisle, there's more nuts. It's cheaper in the baking aisle though. Better keto pricing if you want a better snack, and just parceling your own. I usually have my little boy parcel out my nuts, my keto nuts for my keto snack, because it's part of his allowance for the week. It's part of his chores. So I do love the beef jerkies and the turkey jerkies, but they do have extra sugar added, so be careful of the extra sugar added. For example, we'll check out this. See the ingredients, see brown sugar and sugar added as one of the top ingredients. So I am not inclined to say that this is a healthy keto snack. It's a keto snack, but if it's between this and chips, I definitely would get this over, say, like potato chips. And I'm gonna get some uncured salami. I just wanna have some around the house. I like this brand even though cured and uncured, there's no scientific evidence with it per Dr. Berry's video, but I'm gonna get it just because I'm falling into marketing. I do love these Babybels as an awesome healthy keto snack because you can just grab them. My little boy loves them too. They're super, super easy for on the go if you need a quick keto snack too. So I am stunned they have the macadamia nuts here. Y'all know my love for the macadamia nuts. It's 10 bucks though, way cheaper on Amazon, but still a fun keto snack and a healthy keto snack at that. They also do have dry roast almonds. The macadamia nuts are 2 net carbs for 1/4 a cup. And then the dry roasted almonds are for 1/4 a cup, 3 net carbs. So a great healthy keto snack, an easy keto snack. They also have the Blue Diamond ones on sale. The whole natural ones, these tend to have soybean oil added. Let me see if this one does. Vegetable oil, canola oil, which is inflammatory, so that's a no-go for the Blue Diamonds unless they're just the whole natural ones. peanuts are legumes, so that would not be a healthy keto snack, because it's technically not keto. It would be a low carb snack. I do like that they have little packets if you don't want to have your if you don't want to make your own little packets or your own little baggies. And they do have down here the natural almonds as well, with walnuts too, which is great. These, where are they? The almonds and walnuts are $3.39 for 7 packs, and then it's 1 net carb for one of these packs. All these packs are little. They're little for 1 net carb, but that is an awesome healthy keto snack too. I do love these pink Himalayan salt almonds. They are so delicious, but they do have vegetable oil in them, so it's again the inflammatory property to be careful of with any of these. They do add vegetable oil, which is inflammatory. I love pistachio nuts as a healthy keto snack. However, they're super high. It's 4 net carbs for 1 bag, and that for me is way too many for a healthy keto snack. It's literally 25% of your day's net carbs, so I pass on those as well. So here's more guacamole over here. I did grab these individual slices of cheese. These are great for my kids' lunch. Super, super simple. And I love these Babybels. I don't know why. I just am obsessed with them. I don't know why. They're more expensive than the other ones, but they're so good. Does anybody else like Babybels out there, or is it just me? I am going to get some berries for something sweet. I like to have something sweet at home. I'd rather have, say, some raspberries, which are keto approved, or berries, blackberries, blueberries, strawberries. I'd rather have raspberries because than like a Snickers bar, right? So just monitoring the portion size on it, not having too much. And I try to add it with heavy whipping cream so I get some extra fats with it too. I do love, look, they have uncured turkey pepperoni for folks who are worried about the nitrates. Let's check out how many net carbs it is. It's 0 net carbs, no antibiotics, no antibiotics. It's uncured, no nitrates, 0 net carbs, one of my top keto snacks also. And then they do have the uncured hard salami as well as another great keto snack for 0 net carbs. If you are worried about nitrates, do the best you can afford in terms of deli meat. Those do make for amazing keto snacks. Here's also the other uncured salami, and then Applegate. I love them because their meats are uncured. Like no antibiotics added, and makes for a great healthy keto snack if you're on the go. So I spotted this for my cheap keto meals. I'm always looking for a discount. It has a coupon attached to it, making it $1.50. I'm not going to get it because I'm not quite sure why it's on sale. Does anybody know? Put in the comments below. It's a Target coupon on there. Is it just because it's getting moldy? Is that why? See, Target knew that people were going to be wanting quick, easy keto snacks and healthy keto snacks. Obviously, these are expensive. They have the crackers in them. Just make your own. You can get the uncured kind if you're worried about nitrates. Some people are worried about the sodium. I would suggest just double checking out and getting the other kind. Guacamole is another awesome healthy keto snack. If you want something quick and easy, get some guacamole, dip it with some low net carb, 1 net carb vegetables. I will link my keto vegetable video down below too. These are great, particularly these holy guacamole. While they're pricey, 1 packet is awesome because it has 12 grams of fat for 1 package and 1 net carb or 3 grams of fat, 2 grams of fiber. This is for a great, easy keto snack. I love incorporating because it's a great way to get fats. It's an easy way to get fats in that's simple, that you can travel with, and that your kids like too. Okay, I'm totally gonna get a cold brew. It's just plain cold brew. Like, it's literally just plain cold brew. This is great. This is a great snack. It's $2.79, which is not a great snack. But they also have this chameleon espresso, but it's 3 net carbs. But this one with Archer Farms cold brew for $2.79 is only 0 net carbs. I'm gonna snag it. Just want a little Target keto snack, and you can add heavy cream into this, you can add your fats into this, and you can make it at home, or you could just literally put it in here if you had one, like travel one, and just shake it together. Beautiful, good snack. Going in the garden is pumpkin seeds. I love these pumpkin seeds. For 1/4 of a cup, it's 0 net carbs. It says 2 carbohydrates with 2 grams of fiber, so it makes 0 net carbs. I would really say that it's probably 2 carbs though. Go with what's on the package. For 1/4 a cup. This is a great snack. I'm gonna put some of these in the cart. My son loves these for kids' lunches. It's a great keto snack for me. It's a great Target keto snack, but that brand, Good Sense, is everywhere. And you can get them shelled or unshelled. This guacamole is great. I always like to check the ingredients to make sure there's no hidden pineapple or weird fruit added, because that would increase the net carbs. But this I dip in everything. My keto bagels, it makes for a great keto snack. Target rocks it out with their Orchard Farms too. I highly, highly recommend this one as well. This just fell from the On The Go. It is their salami with cheddar cheese in it. It's another great one. It's $3 for this small portion. I'm gonna grab it because it's a great car snack to have, just for easy grabbing. And also, they do have these little to-go avocado packages. I'm not going to get one of those today since I've got my other one, but just for choices and options for Target keto snacks, I like that one. I also like their packages of dried salami. These are other really, really good ones. I'm going to keep looking to see if they have other brands, but that was one right there. And they also have a tray of the pepperonis too, which make for a great snack. Here's the Hillshire. They have flavored seasoned pork with Gouda cheese in there. That's great. It's $3 for this. And then they have, my favorites are these snap pickles. I'm looking for the whole pickle. Walmart sells those for their keto snacks, but these are spicy ones, so I'm going to pass on it. I like to use their almond milk, which is behind me, for my chia seed. It's my keto breakfast. If you haven't seen it, look up Countess of Low Carb Keto breakfast, and that is a great keto snack. If you're wanting something hearty, the chia seeds make for great breakfast snacks. Let's go down the nut aisle and see what we can find. Surprisingly, down the baking aisle is where you can find the best nuts for the cheapest, and y'all know I like big nuts and I cannot lie. These are so good. I love the half size of them. You use them for a fourth a cup, always a fourth a cup, and I try to pre-measure mine because I'll eat more than what the portion is. But for pecan halves, a fourth a cup of nuts is 1 net carb. It's a great snack if you're traveling or commuting, you want a keto to-go snack. It's a really, really good one to get. I love having these. Another keto to-go snack is walnuts. Those are 2 net carbs for a fourth a cup for walnuts. So whatever your preference is, y'all know I love macadamia nuts, but these are more of an inexpensive version where you can get the whole bag of the pecan halves. Pecan halves are 16 ounces for $10. You're gonna make a bunch of portions. Let me see. It's gonna give you 15 portions for $10. So what is that? 75 cents per portion? Is my math wrong? Comment below what the math would be on that. But for $10 for 15 portions, that is great. That's a great keto snack. A great keto to-go snack at that. So Target's rocking it out with their keto snacks today. And they do have here, this is a new addition at Target. They do have almond flour that you can buy directly here at Target. I have not seen this before. And coconut flour. I'm in the sugar and flour aisle. They're $5.29 for the pack of almond flour, which is kind of expensive. You can get it cheaper at Costco or on Amazon. Or coconut flour, which is organic, and it's $5.49. I'm trying to see if they have any. They have Bob's Mill here. Oh my gosh, this is wonderful. Okay, so they have Bob's Mill almond flour, $9.69 for how much? For 16 ounces. And then they have the coconut flour, Bob's Mill, organic coconut flour for $4.19. I'm gonna get some coconut flour. We are out, and I have a new recipe coming out that I'm gonna use with this. So I'm super excited. If you guys haven't seen my keto bagel recipe using using almond flour, go check that out too. I'll try to link it below. If you want it and I forget to link it, remind me. I'll put it down in the comments. I did also get some pickles. These were $2.39, and there's nothing in there. I always check my pickles because sometimes they have added sugars put into them. So I would strongly recommend this one because there's nothing in it. Just double check your ingredients with pickles. And my little boy requested some broccoli slices too, so I'm gonna get that as well. These broccoli slices, 3/4 of a cup is 1 net carb. Great little easy snack to have. Maybe with some ranch dip, more so with some avocado, guacamole, because then you can get your extra high fats in. If you want some riced cauliflower or broccoli, I have tons at home, which is why I'm not gonna buy it. They do have riced cauliflower and then the riced cauliflower and broccoli, which is really, really good. Cauliflower and broccoli, just for your FYI, 1 cup is only 2 net carbs. So this is a great one if you're wanting some like Asian type food, if you want to make your own sushi. I don't make my own sushi, but you could using this in a really creative way, using the cauliflower, the riced cauliflower, and there's lots of different brands in here. There's like one here, one here, one here. So you can go to town trying the different ones, and the net carbs on them are not that much. So let's keep looking. I'm still trying to find my cauliflower pizza crust. Okay, so for my keto snacks, my other Target keto snacks that I'm stoked about, I don't know if this is gonna be a hit, but they have avocado slices that are coated. Let's see what they're coated with. Nope. I thought this would be good, but they're not. So that would be not a good Target keto snack to get. You can get something else with different breading, or you can bread your own. You could do your own egg wash. Get an avocado here, get an egg wash, and use almond flour. The next thing we're gonna snag is some full cream cheese, full fat cream cheese for our chicken keto dish that we have. So this is not on my list, but would be a great addition at 0 carbs for it. Just checking the ingredients, it says Angus beef only, no other additives. So this is not on our list, but it could be a great keto low carb item to get.
See, they're selling chocolate milk and regular.
Now I'm gonna go attempt to try to find where their pesto is. I'm not quite sure what section that's in, but we're gonna go look. I found some pesto at the bottom. It was on sale for 2 for $4. I'm just gonna snag one small one. Our third easy keto meal that we're gonna get is our bacon knots. We're gonna make those really simply in the air fryer or in your oven with some guacamole. Let's go get those ingredients. We're gonna go ahead and snag a packet of bacon. Also, just make sure with your bacon it doesn't have added sugars in it or any sort of creepy carbs. Somewhat hard to find, just check the ingredients. So this was not on my list, the California Green Giant Pizza Crust. It caught my attention though to see how many carbs were in it. It's 16 carbs in it, so I'm gonna put it back. It's a no-go, but it was good marketing. Quick editor's note, I just wanna say that obviously, getting grass-fed, organic, no hormones, no nitrates, no blah, 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 all the Jaja food is obviously best, but do the best that you can afford. I always talk about that in all of my videos, but I do feel like I need to get that disclaimer in this one. Do the best you can afford. If it's grass-fed, great. If it's organic, great. If it's a hot dog on a stick, great. But like, I just don't want people to feel guilt-shamed or condemnation because they can't get the super high-end foods. Do the best you can afford. It's better than the standard American diet. It's better than the way we used to eat. So grace completely on that topic, but I just wanted to make sure I said it in the video of do the best that you can afford.